Welcome to my channel. I'm Aya, and then my little baby, Mia. Today I'm gonna make her a bracelet. It's over here. This her name, Mia. And I wanna make her a bracelet because she's my baby, and his brother's upstairs sleeping in her cradle. And look, we have this. Now let's make now. Or the yeah.
First you need what? What's the material?
Let's put it here. Now let's put the tiny ball. Make it too tiny. I have to hold it tight or it will blow away.
What are your boys? So your friends can hear you.
Now we put in here's the ball.
What name of your baby?
Now I can put
What name?
the eye.
What name your baby?
Mia.
Spell. You have M na, and then what next?
Ano it
What
called?
letter next?
I put it back. Mami, pakita niya again. Now you get another ball to match the other. Kaya matawag ka namin. Me yellow, purple. That's why I use purple face.
Look at your baby nila watching you.
Sorry, making, doing something.
Making what?
Doing something.
What's that? And you have M. Ready? I, and then what's that?
Why?
Y, and the next?
A.
A. Your name is?
Mia.
Wow, galing naman.
Mia. Now up my lip face. Wait lang, I just tanggal the tape. Ay, something happened. Don't need that sticky tape anymore. I just put it right here.
Here.
Your nose.
Put here.
Mommy. I already pick up a for her. This are like
How do your boys?
I have another my lip face to match her other side. Oh no, I have a problem. This for later, guys. I have two more of this because it's a thing. There's some kind of art and I can do that by my own. And I haven't need help because I'm
Galing mo lang yan. Wow, you just design for your baby niya. Diba?
here.
Careful, careful.
Hello?
Tanggal
It's
na tayo.
almost full. That's why I have to be careful. Now, we can put this here. So, this one and this one. And the last piece out of my face. In the end, it's not my
base.
face. I don't
Your
let
friend
me
can
see
hear
I
you.
have more. Oh no, I don't have no more. And I choose another color, like pink. Yeah, that's also my very favorite color. This is only wearing a jacket because it's have a cold today. I don't know what now. Ah, I forgot. This is my face. Now the knot of my face.
Show mo sa ano camera. Show.
Almost
Wow.
done. Only gonna put some more here. One more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 more.
This is your
This
bracelet.
is my bracelet. I have to wear today, and I cannot because I'm using it for coffee.
Mm. So
Now,
this is your
now we
bracelet.
need to try this. We need more. We need 10, 10, 8, 9, 10. Good. I put it in this small play of 8. This all. I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Now I'm gonna use this one. And put it in here.
Other ways.
Yep. And
And then it has. You teach your other friend how to do it at waistline. So fit waistline.
come. Let's go. Yan.
Ganda naman.
Mami, this almost tapos na.
Almost done.
Yeah.